Do you need a drink, but everything's closed? And even if it wasn't, you're scared someone might sneeze on you, and then you would die? I can help. I've opened a Sneeze Easy. Here's how it works. It's like a speakeasy from the 1920s, only it's still legal to drink, so you can talk as loud as you want. It's at my house. But if you sneeze, we will all gang up on you, and we will beat you. We will beat you, and we will remove you from the property. That's why it's called a Sneeze Easy. It's the only thing you can't do. Here's how it works. Go to Jewel-Osco. It's got to be the one closest to my house. Go to my Jewel. You're gonna see a 2012 yellow Nissan Leaf chilling in the e-car charging station. Get in. Now tune your radio to 107.5 WGCI, the Chi's #1 for hip hop and R&B. But that's not what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a secret password. Don't forget it. Once you have the password memorized, start honking the horn to the rhythm of the Super Mario Bros. Theme song. That's how we'll know you're legit. Anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes from then, a guy will roll up in a tow truck. His name's Randy. Don't call him Ripstick Randy. Don't do that. Randy's cool. Get in the vehicle with Randy. He's gonna blindfold you. He called it a safety protocol or something. I don't know. I'm sorry. And to be fair, I don't want you to know where I live. So, it'll take about an hour to get to my place. I live 5 minutes from Jewel, but Randy really doesn't want you guys knowing where I live. So Randy's gonna drive you around for a while. He listens to a lot of My Favorite Murderer, so hopefully you're cool with that. But anyway, eventually you will get to my house where you can have a drink. But if you sneeze, we'll all break your kneecaps.